In this video, we're going to show you how to install a light bulb socket in your dryer. So now to install your socket, I'm just going to put the light bulb in because it's easy to do it when I have it out. And we're just going to slide it up inside this housing. Now on yours, it may go in and rotate in order to lock in. On this one, it's just a matter of squeezing these little tabs together to put it up in place and then release. And then we just need to hook our wires back up. So we'll put our wires on. With light bulbs, it's really easy. There'll be two wires. And typically, it doesn't matter whether you get them on left or right side, one or reverse them, it doesn't really matter. On this particular one, they've given you no problem at all to identify. One connector is bigger than the other in size. So you're just going to match that up to the same appropriate size terminal and you'll be all set. And now that that's all connected, we're just going to put the back panel on. So now just bring your back panel into place. Just get it lined up and start it. Now you don't want to tighten that screw yet, because as you put your other screws in, you need to have the flexibility of kind of jiggling that back panel to get it into the exact proper spot. If you tighten the screw, it's just going to make it hard to get everything else lined up. And that's how easy it is to install your light bulb socket.